Hey there, I'm Jared Gulick. Welcome to a Best Cigar Prices review of the Barn Cured Maduro. We're going to get into all of the details about this AJ Fernandez made blend. Stick around and see what it's all about. So yeah, like I said, we're smoking this Barn Cured Maduro. It's one of three distinct lines within the Barn Cured stable. Now we have, like I said, the Maduro here. We also have Heritage Red and Heritage Black. We'll probably review those at a later time. But this, for tobacco components, we're looking at an Ecuador Sumatra Maduro wrapper and then a filler combination between binder and filler of Esteli and Jalapa grown tobaccos, all from Nicaragua. All right, so Barn Cured is a Best Cigar Prices exclusive. And now getting a little bit into the name about what Barn Cured means is, anytime tobacco plants are harvested, if you go to a farm, you look at the plants, the leaves are green, right? So when they are hung in these barns, they air cure. It's very hot inside these barns, and it breaks down what's called chlorophyll in the leaf. And that rids the tobacco of its green color and turns it the shades of brown that we're used to seeing on a cigar. Now there's a lot of other scientific stuff that goes into it. I'm not going to bore you with all that, but we wanted to honor that process, and therefore that's why Barn Cured has the name Barn Cured. So next, let's go ahead and get into the flavors and talk about what this is like and who it's for. So if you've made it this far, thank you, and you've gotten to the most important part, which is flavor. So right now I'm getting this little bit of tart sweetness, a little bit of spice, and there is a lot of leather, a lot of wood, and it's a very consistent flavor. I wouldn't call it very complex. There's not a lot of changes that this cigar is going through, but it is consistent and the flavor is excellent. And whether that's your thing or not, I don't know. But for me, I would rather have a consistent cigar than a complex cigar that I don't like. So let's go ahead and smoke a little bit more of it, and then we'll talk about what it shapes up to become. So we're making good time here into the final third of the cigar. It's going to be about a 60-minute smoke, and I will say that it's been incredibly consistent from start to finish. We still have that leather, that spice, that woodiness, the tanginess, and it's that slight sweetness that I really like. And then now it's actually a little bit meaty, kind of like that meaty juiciness that you get from some cigars once in a while. And it really leads me to the point where I'm going to talk about who I think this cigar is for. Now, if you're a brand new smoker, this is probably not for you. I don't want to turn you away, but you're going to want to start with something milder. But if you have a little bit of experience under your belt, you're going to get a lot of mileage out of this cigar, especially at its price. Barn Cured is an incredible value. And if you are a disciple of AJ's and have been following his career, like his fuller bodied stuff, then I think that this is a shoe-in for your shortlist. So I want to thank you again so much for tuning into this cigar review. I'm Jared with Best Cigar Prices. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified anytime we have new cigar content like this, and I'll see you all in the next video.